OMG.
She's my favorite. But maybe. Hello guys, I'm so happy you're here. My name is Rian. Welcome back to my channel. We are at Blondie for coffee. DA, Vanshika, say hi to the vlog. It's her debut in the vlog. And we have ordered coffee and food and we're gonna eat. I feel like I've been eating out a lot. That looks unreal. Guys, I'm having a matcha. That looks so good. All the coffee looks so good.
Cheers to you guys, enjoy.
Thank you.
Is this that?
Kanchi, this is for you.
OMG.
What is This is a ghee podi beni dosa. So pretty. Wow. Hi बोलना है वीडियो को. Hi. That's Vijaya. She does my laser every time I come here. She's my favorite. And today she's doing mini oxy for me. I am done with my oxy facial. I did a mini oxy. I don't know exactly what it is, but it was really helpful. Like, she got rid of all of like my black and white heads, which I had a lot of. When I went for laser, she told me that I should remove them, and then I was like, okay, maybe that's a good idea. It was a little painful, but she's gotten all of them out. There's a little redness and swelling wherever she's like plucked on the blackheads for now, but she said that that will go in like maybe 2 or 3 hours. I just need to let my face like sit and not really do anything or like mess with it. But yeah, it's the next day. I didn't vlog too much, honestly. I don't know why, but I'm back, and happy Monday to everyone. I don't know what my plan is for the day. I actually don't have too much work. I just have a little bit of stuff to get done, which I think is pretty manageable, and I will talk to you all soon. Today is already shaping up to be such a good day. I'm eating some leftover Chinese food. It's gonna be yum. Also watching Big Bang Theory. Watching a really funny episode of Big Bang Theory, and I might take a nap. I might just a little bit needy. Not sure, but I am feeling sleepy. It's like 3 p.m. on a Monday. I should be more productive. But guys, I feel like taking a nap. Okay, BRB, I will update you whatever happens. I have just gotten ready, super last minute plan to go and meet Asthan Devashri. And we are gonna go grab dinner, like an early-ish dinner, maybe around like 6:37. And I'm wearing this top again. Guys, it's so cute. Like, I can't deal with it. In all my free time, I'm thinking about where and when I can wear this top again. Like, that's how cute it is in my head. Also, my skin is definitely glowing. Let me show you the sun. Oh wait, that's too much sun. But some of the marks are a little more prominent than before. That's just because she's like pulled them out today. So there will be a little redness in spots. But overall, are you seeing the glow? I have like no makeup on my face right now. And I'm also not going to put any because I've done a facial today. So I want to let my skin breathe. And it's pretty casual, you know, like it's not anything deep. So yeah, let's leave.
Welcome to almost every day.
Almost
Daily vlog.
Guys, I think we should all collectively talk about restaurants not playing copyrighted music so we can vlog everywhere.
But what will we dance to? Millionaire. You had NHP?
What?
क्या हुआ? NHP? क्या हुआ?
नहीं हो पा रहा. Guys, the sky is looking insane. What is this? Insane.
Tag now. Please, yeah, this is a
Sure?
story. How did
Oh, how did you take that?
Because I couldn't take that picture.
Can you tag me also?
This is why Jigar reposts everything that she posts.
Your phone is not that nice also. Mine is better. How did you click that photo? Click
Mine
for
is
me.
15 Pro Max.
But how did you
Pro
click?
Max,
I will charge you minimum 20,000 euros.
But
for
mine is
posting that
17
photo
Pro
on
and
your
my-
page.
Shut up, just show. Show na. Can you show how you clicked it? Click it again.
Now. Tutorial.
Everyone learn
No, it's looking
photography
normal
from
only. I
Ashka
don't know
Shah.
what she's doing.
Excuse me, son.
You
I
edited
think
it
she's
or?
getting performance anxiety because now it's not.
It's unedited.
Yeah.
No, it's still good only, bro.
The fuck?
What is she doing?
Wait, is mine also good? And
Show
I
yours.
see it. Let me check.
It's a sky. I don't think it's her photo. Sorry, huh?
See, it is nice actually. My
Even yours is nice.
No, yours is not nice because you didn't reduce the brightness.
I swear I did. I swear I did.
Guys, comment down below and tell us if it's
Levi's or is it Levi's?
आप सोच रहे हो कि हम इंडिया में नहीं और आप हिंदी में बात कर रहे हैं हम इटली में नहीं
Yeah,
है
that's true. We
Yeah.
are speaking in
आप
Hindi.
हिंदी में बात कर
No
रहे
one
हो
can
तो
understand
और
us.
लोग समझेंगे तो
अच्छा.
हम इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं
आपका तो नहीं समझेगा किसी को.
Mine is good. Natural too good.
Guys, so
Too
Pepe
good.
jeans is PP jeans.
No, it's Pepe. King Asa, yeah, bro.
Hello, I am back home. I am literally in bed getting ready to edit for the night. I have so much to edit. Like I need to edit 2 YouTube videos because obviously I'm posting so much. And then I also need to edit an Instagram reel. And I need to prep a script for a brand reel and an organic reel that I have to shoot tomorrow. So yeah, there's a lot to be done. But it is currently 12:30 in the night. In the morning, whatever. I'm feeling so nice and clean and my skin is really glowing. And I had a great day with Asa and Devshi. I was supposed to meet them over the weekend, but I had committed to cousins night, so I couldn't do it. But we had so much fun today and the food was honestly kind of mid at Veronica's. I know it's like so overhyped, but today I ate veg food. And I don't know if it was because I ate veg or if it was just mid, but that is just disappointing. Like even the vegetarian should not be disappointing, but it was. In other news though, I did pack my favorite cake from Veronica's. Usually I love the place. Like usually the food really hits the spot. Today was just I think a bad day. This is the espresso cinnamon cake from there. I'm literally gonna eat it right now while editing because we kind of had like an early dinner. So I knew I would get hungry later, so I just packed it and got it home. I'm still triggered about cocktail too, by the way. Like anytime anyone is talking to me about it, I'm just like, oh. But I have a new fixation and that fixation is Bandhu 2.0. Oh my god. Like as bad as the movie is, the song is that good. Like I don't know what to say. I can't stop thinking about it. Like it's literally in my head. I might just shoot a dance video this week for it, like a proper full-blown video. So I don't know, let's see. But yeah, for now let's get to work. Oh yeah, by the way, in case you're wondering, like, girl, you got home ages ago, why are you editing now? My family and I booked some tickets for a trip. Luckily, I'm not currently watching anything because if I was, I feel like I would really procrastinate editing. But I'm just rewatching Big Bang Theory, which can also like go on in the background as just background noise. Let's eat the cake and edit. Also, completely random update. I did not end up liking the duvet cover I got from Muji. Something about the texture was just not comfortable. And I know people say that when you change like a bed sheet or a blanket or a duvet cover, you need some time to get used to it. But I just did not like how it was feeling like on my body when I was sleeping. And it was really expensive for a duvet cover. So I have like packed it and put it in a bag. And I'm probably going to go exchange it for a better one. Because why should I just... you know, since I've already spent so much money on it. So I am going to go back to Phoenix in the next few days to like get that sorted. But yeah, I'm now currently using the duvet without a cover. But it's so soft. Like this duvet is amazing. It's too good. But the cover is kind of ruining it. Also the pillowcase was too big for my pillow. So I might not buy pillowcases. I might just buy something else. Because I don't know about their return policy. I need to check it out. Hopefully I can exchange or return it. Okay. Anyway, let's edit now. Bus. Every time, every minute of the day to me.